So today we are going to show you the installation for our new 51mm DeLonghi HD High Diffusion Shower Screen Kit. In our new kit, we have the 51mm EP Electro Polished Filter Basket, the contact mesh with pin, and the 51mm HD High Diffusion Shower Screen. So there's a few things that we have to understand with this machine on why we've designed the kit like this, and a few steps of troubleshooting on the machine to use it. The two key things to look out for is that the grinder will need to be set finer. Then you have the tamper lever on the manual lever machines. We would always recommend using a manual tamper where possible, but if you have a lever machine, we're going to show you a few tricks to help you dial this in better. First, make sure the machine is turned off and unscrew the stock shower screen. And then keep the screw as you will reuse this. Then grab our new 51mm HD shower screen. First we're going to grab a cloth and just wipe any coffee residue under the group head. Then we're going to install the new shower screen. Simply attach the screw and screw the new shower screen into the group head. Then what we want to do is swap out the stock filter basket. What we've done is we've created a 51mm EP Electro Polish filter basket. This basket is kind of unique. We've labeled it as 18 grams, but because of how these machines perform, this basket actually ranges from 18 to 20 grams. If you have a lever tamping machine, we recommend you to use 20 grams of coffee. If you have a manual tamper, you can use 18 to 20 grams of coffee dosed. We are going to want to weigh this and tear the scale. Let's dose with this setting and see how it performs. What we're going to do is pull the lever all the way down as far as it goes and then go up and down 3 or 4 more times. What this does is the initial tamp doesn't completely level the puck off. There will always be coffee residue around the top of it. We want to flatten that out as much as possible. So if you can see, there's still some loose coffee grounds around the top of the puck. It didn't completely tamp even with the extra tamps, but we'll just leave that for now and then put that back on the scale. This dose setting has produced about 18.1 grams. So what we're actually going to want to do is increase the dose level. So we're going to turn it clockwise a couple of notches. This should bump up the next dose to about 20 grams. So with that, I'm going to ditch that and we're going to redo that and see where it comes out. So hopefully we're going to try and get 20 grams out of this one. So I go all the way down and then 3 to 4 tamps. So see how that still is quite loose. This is why we would always recommend where possible to use a manual tamp. But if you are using this, just try and do the tamping a few extra times. It's 20.2, so it's pretty good. It's about 20 grams, so that's usable. Then we use our new 0.2mm contact mesh. This helps protect the puck. When the water hits the coffee puck, it can split the coffee and create channeling. This new component will help eliminate this while also adding another layer of water diffusion. And then you're pretty much good to go and run the shot. That's actually a pretty good extraction. So once you take out the portafilter, you want to always rinse it. Just click the button, run some water through it. This will help filter out any coffee grounds that have gone back up into the shower screen. To remove the contact mesh, we use our passado pin. Just insert the end into the side of the puck and pop out the contact mesh. You can just simply run that under some water or just give it a wipe with a cloth, as you can see on the puck. It's got no indentation, there's no big holes where channeling has occurred, and the puck is completely intact. So that's our new 51mm DeLonghi HD High Diffusion Shower Screen Kit. We'll leave a list of all the machines that are compatible below. Hope you enjoy.